Amazon Home Find. This is a portable shopping cart that makes it easy to load groceries, and it also collapses to save space. This gadget can slice your butter and dispense the perfect amount when you need it. This wireless battery attaches to your phone, and it also has a stand so you can watch movies while charging. This gadget goes in between your nose and prevents you from snoring when you're asleep. This is a lotion sock that you put on your feet, and it makes your skin super soft. This carry-on luggage has a built-in scooter that folds down so you can get around the airport quickly. This is a padlock with a fingerprint reader so you don't have to remember a passcode. This is a levitating moon lamp with 3 different lighting modes, and I have no idea how it works. This is a Shark Tank product that can store your ring safely and locks when the key ring is in place. These are waterproof shoe covers that fit any size foot, and they protect you from bad weather. This is a webcam cover that you put on your laptop so your FBI agent can't spy on you. This gadget allows you to make spaghetti in the microwave so you don't need to cook on the stove. This toothbrush can oscillate 60 degrees while brushing, and it even has a mobile app so you can adjust the setting. This vacuum cleaner is specifically designed for your mattress, which is perfect for people with allergies. This is a fast drying mat that you can put in your bathroom so your counter doesn't get wet.